ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 43 Combo Box Option 3. We introduced ourselves to combo boxes in Lesson 40, and in that lesson we discussed the first option, getting the values from another table or query. In Lesson 42 we looked at the second option, type in the values wanted. In this lesson we're going to look at the third option. A combo box can be used to find a value from the current table and use that to retrieve the appropriate record. When creating these combo boxes, it is better to include the primary key as the field in the combo box, as this is a unique field in the table, and each value will successfully locate a single record. Okay, so let's get back to the authors database. At the end of the last lesson, we were dealing with the English literature form, and now let's look at this in design view. Ensure the Use Control Wizards option is turned on, so from the Design tab, within the Control section, click on the More button, and we want to use the Control Wizards. I've already got mine switched on. Click the Combo Box button, and click once in the form header. From the wizard, select Find a Record on my form based on the value I selected in my combo box, and then click Next. From the available fields, select Title by double-clicking. This is the field that will be searched by the combo box to display the desired record. Click Next. Resize the title field if necessary, and in this case it is. Then click Next again, and change the label text to Title Search. Click Finish. Copy the format of the other fields to the new field using the Format Painter. And then reposition and resize as required. Save the form and switch to Form View. Click on the Combo Box drop-down arrow in the form header. A list of all the publication titles on the table appears. Select any title from the list to display all the fields from the desired record. Now, when you're making that selection, do not select a title that contains an apostrophe. The access process cannot handle this without amendment to the underlying code. So don't pick, for example, this one or this one. Okay, at that point, close the form and close the database. Okay, so we've now covered how to set up a combo box using a wizard, and we've looked at 3 different options in Lesson 40, 42 and 43. In the next lesson, we're going to learn how to create combo boxes manually. Okay, I'm sure you can make great use out of these features, and I look forward to seeing you next time.